In this video, I'll be using PDQ Deploy to package and deploy Evernote. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video, and I will leave the URL in the description down below. Also, in the bottom of the page, you can find more of my videos that are related to this topic. For example, here you can find videos about my Windows Server setup, and here is a video about my PDQ Deploy setup. And now I'll begin this video by downloading Evernote executable installation files, and for that I will use the link that I have here. That brings me to Evernote download page, and here I will click on download for Windows, and then I will go to my downloads folder and wait for my executable. And now that I have my executable, I will right click on it, select copy, then I will go to my VMware workstation where I have my Windows environment. And here I will open File Explorer because I will be placing the installation file in a network share that is accessible to my users and computers. So for that I will click here and enter my file server name. It's srv02. Here I have this software share. I will go inside of it, and here I will create another folder. I will name it Evernote. I will go inside of that, and then I will place the executable here. And now I can start creating my package, and for that I will go to PDQ Deploy. I will right click on packages, select new package. I will name the package Evernote. Then I will select steps, install. Here I need to provide my executable, so I will click on this button right here. Once again, I will go to my file server by entering srv02, software share, Evernote folder, and then the executable. And now we need to provide silent switches for this package for the parameters field here. And for that I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have the silent switches. I will click on this button right here to copy the values, go back to VMware workstation, and I will place them here. And that's basically all that we need to do for our package. Now we can save it. Let's close this window. And now let's deploy it to client machines. And for that I will click on the package here. I will select deploy once. Then I will select my targets by selecting choose targets, Active Directory, and computers. Here I will select client 01 and client 02. I will move them to this window right here and click on OK and deploy now. And now we need to wait a bit. And that deployment is over. We can see that it was successful for both of my clients, but we can double check by going to client 01 that I have here. We can see that we have Evernote desktop shortcut here. I will double click on it, and it gives us the sign-in screen. And that means that our deployment was successful. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.